Hey there! Let's learn a new word together. Before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Stay up to the end of this video and you'll learn a fun fact about the English language. Let's begin.
Ego. Ego means person's sense of self-esteem or self-importance. For example, a boost to my ego. A boost to my ego. Synonyms: self-esteem, self-importance, self-worth.
Awesome! You learned that quickly. Let's put it in some sentences to understand how to use it.
The first exempli. I mean, that's got to hurt a guy's ego. Now, repeat after me. I mean, that's got to hurt a guy's ego. The second exempli. A car, psychologists tell us, is an extension of man's ego. Now, repeat after me. A car, psychologists tell us, is an extension of man's ego. The third exempli. This completely shattered my pride and punctured my ego and self-respect. Now, repeat after me. This completely shattered my pride and punctured my ego and self-respect.
Now let's learn an interesting fact about the English language.
More English words begin with the letter S than with any other letter.
Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're new to our channel, the links to our most popular playlists are below in the description. We've prepared playlists for different levels of English, and they're good for different goals that you might have. Maybe you want to take an exam, or maybe you want to improve your fluency. So check them out and see you very soon. Bye-bye.